So in this video we will see how API context in ReactJS works. So for that we will just take a JSON template. It serves as a dummy API. So for that we will just use React application. So this application currently is was built for running the Python code in ReactJS. The link is in I button, will be popping up in the I button. So in this video we'll see how API context can be used in the React.js. So for that we are just creating API context.js within the context folder. So here we will be simply writing import React and also exporting the one of the constant variable called API context. So after doing this, so we are good with the API context.js. Let's come to the main parent component, that is app.js. Here we are importing that API context file, and in after that we will just uh, use the we'll just create one more folder called as API. Here we'll be using we'll be exporting a constant const function, like a arrow function we'll be exporting, which will be calling the dummy API which we have seen. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do that now and click on the bell icon to get the latest updates. So here we will just export a const function. So here we'll just do axios.get and the URL of the dummy API which we have created. After that we will just write like catch block to capture the error if there is any, and now so we will import that API file as all of the function we are importing it as API. So in API we'll be getting all of the function. So and we have to include the value in the value we will include the API. So at the end we will just end with the API context.provider. So now we will just go inside the child component which we are yet to create. So in the we will just create a components folder. In the components folder we will be having a child component named as body element.js. So in here we will just use a boilerplate code to generate like the first step of code for that component. So we are getting the body element is not getting printed, and for that we will just see. So body element, we have that in it's treating it as a function, not as a component. We will just change it. So now we are getting body element content in the local host. So now we will just import use context as well. So by using this use context we will be uh, getting the function which we have created in the api.js. We'll use the same file for the context. So now if we pass API context, we will be getting all of the functions within the API. In the use effect, what we'll give the empty square brackets to call it at the initial load, and API.get to do's is the function name which we have created. Then we'll just console log the response from the API. So here we will just pass return response rest dot data. We have to return this. Yeah, so we are returning the response dot data. So here so we are still getting one of the error. So for that, okay, we are getting an error at the API use context. We have missed use effect import, and still we are getting error. So let's rerun the server once. That might solve the issue. So now the server successfully got started and we are getting the response as well. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment if you have any questions related to the topic.